if you want to reach to this location of Hauser, so you have, if you're coming from Medanta, in the front you'll be having Huda City Center or Millennium City Center, and this is the red light just before that. On the right hand side, on the right hand side, I would say, you can see Sector 45 office parks, and there's a building, and you'll also see Bloom Hotels just on the corner. So what we have to do is that you have to take a right turn from here and then move across to the table. Yeah. So now you have to take a right turn from here. So the location is exactly on your right hand side, just beside Bloom Hotels. But we have to do what is, we have to take a U-turn into the service lane. Okay. So as you cross this red light, you move to the service lane. Alright, so now what you have to do is that after that red light, you have to take a U-turn, but not on the main road, but you have to go to the service lane. Okay. So as you enter the service lane, you can see Sector 45 ka RWA here, and then you have to take this service road in. As you move from here, there's a little rough patch on the road, and as you cross this rough patch, this is Hauser Sector 45. So you just cross this, and 150 meters, you'll be arriving at the location. Crossing. Awesome. So you'll be crossing this Shakura and Omega Home on your left. You gotta just keep moving forward till the point you are at this space. This is essentially the fourth or fifth last. You'll be crossing this place as well, and then you have arrived to Hauser Sector 45. So this is pretty much, this is Hauser Sector 45 for you, and yeah, awesome. Alright, you can park anywhere around, and this is pretty much, you can come inside. It is just beside corporate stays. Okay, chalo, awesome. See you at the open mic. Bye bye.